Hi. Over the next few minutes, I'd like to introduce you to the Computer Networks specialization in the master's program at USC. Computer networks have been a hot area of research and innovation for many years, and research and innovation in this area continues even to this day. Many of the subfields in networks that are seeing significant innovation include wireless networks, software-defined networks, internet technologies, content delivery networks. These are networks that deliver, for example, video to end users, and data center networks. This is where these are the networks that underlie a lot of the back-end computation that happens in large network providers. In all of these areas, the challenges have always been how to achieve scale, how to grow out to a very large number of devices or users, how to make the network more reliable, how to reduce the latency of access to data, and how to increase the availability of access to data. More recently, as networks have become very important economically, providers and companies are pushing along many of these challenges in very, very interesting ways. Computer networks have long been a strength at USC. Many of the early standards in internet development occurred at the Information Sciences Institute, which is affiliated with USC. We also have a large group of faculty in computer science and electrical engineering who are involved in a variety of aspects of networks, ranging from experimental networks or research in experimental systems and networks, to research in security and in analysis and modeling of networks. We have recently revamped the requirements for the MS specialization in computer networks. Now the specialization requires you to take 32 units, of which the primary requirement is to take an analysis of algorithms class, which is required of all of our master's students. Students are also required to take 2 of the 3 courses listed here, which constitute breadth in computer science. In addition, you're expected to take the core courses in networks. These include an undergraduate level introduction to computer networks, an advanced course in computer communications, a course in operating systems, and a laboratory focused on internet and distributed systems. Students may then take one of the following courses, 3 to 4 units. And there are several courses listed here. In addition to the listed courses, we are developing classes in cloud networking and in distributed systems. And finally, the requirements for the specialization can be rounded out by gaining some expertise in writing or communication, by gaining some industry experience, or doing directed research with a faculty member, or taking a class that exposes you to research in different aspects of computer science. I will close this by mentioning that the computer network specialization offers significant opportunities for those of you who are interested in going on to industry. There are many, many established companies that hire our graduates. And these companies range from infrastructure companies that produce routers and switches like Cisco and Juniper and Redback, to cloud companies like Google, Amazon, Facebook, Yahoo, and wireless companies like Qualcomm, Nokia, Google, and so on. There's also a lot of startup activity in this space. This is a great time to be working in computer networks, just because the importance of and the centrality of networking has never been higher. I hope you will choose to take the computer network specialization at USC.